Let's look at a couple of valid beginner drawings. So this is a good beginner drawing, and so is this. Okay, so if you're drawing like this, don't feel discouraged. It's quite good. It's the level you could have as a beginner. So there's a couple of perspective mistakes here, obviously. The most blatant one is the shadows not falling properly. Shadows should turn around the volume. You should have one perspective point on the page here, and you should cover it up with the entourage. And the other perspective point is off the page, really far away, off the page to the left hand side. Right, the window here should be recessed. So it looks like this. It has a little bit of thickness to it. You could have some cast shadows here underneath the stairs, just from the stairs themselves, the projection of the stairs. And let's look at the other one. Perspective mistake again, with the cast shadow. Optical illusion here. This volume should, this is the triangular prism. Shouldn't necessarily fit this vertical edge here. You should have like a triangular point here, triangular plane. This is a perspective mistake here as well. Again, one perspective point should be on the page, the other one on the left hand side. Far to the left. This should be an alley that turns like this, 90 degrees. Right? Cool. So if you like this really short tutorial, then don't forget to join my free course, and I'll see you on the other side. You take care, draw nicely.